I absolutely love this brushed nickel sliding barn doors that is on a track here. We actually have it on a 2-inch wider than the track piece of pine board, a 1x6 that we painted white. I love these brushed nickel handles. They're nice and big to open and close, and the frosted windows, which is nice because when you open it up, you actually can't see any of the pantry items with the frosted glass until you open it up. So that's nice. It also slides really nicely. If you want it closed a little bit more, we actually installed a small, tiny little magnet just to kind of make it close a little bit more, but you don't have to have that. I like that it also slides here on the side. We thought we were gonna have to move this picture, and we didn't. It actually leaves enough space where you can slide it through like that, and you don't have to take the picture off, which was great. The packaging on this was excellent. It was packed so well, nothing was broken. It was easy to put together. It probably took about 2 hours, not including installing the header. I'm very happy with this purchase, and I would highly, highly recommend it.